This brand name is licensed to Nordyne, which is a part of Nortec Global HVAC. The units are made in Mexico but are sold by dealers in the USA and Canada. All of their units have a glossy, powder paint finish to keep the units looking nice for years to come, as well as louvered panels that protect the coil from impact of flying debris due to mowing, hail, and other hazards. The M120 Series CSA1BE models are basic air conditioners that features micro-channel construction, which provides for a very compact unit, and they are backed by a very good warranty. They also include the Quiet Plus sound package, which consists of a compressor sound blanket and a swept wing fan blade. The M1200 Series PSA1BF models are premium units that feature all aluminum coils for increased resistance to corrosion, reduce unit weight, and require less refrigerant than traditional coils. They only have a 16 SEER efficiency and are relatively loud with a sound rating roughly equivalent to a washing machine in operation, but they are backed by a very good guarantee. The M1200 Series PSA1BG units have stainless steel panels for superior quality and rust-free durability, as well as their IQ drive system to maximize comfort and efficiency. They are backed by a good warranty, but the guarantee on the compressor is not as good as some of the other brands.